Okay, so here is our key to our Chapter 7 math test review. So it says, solve the following problems by drawing a model and recording the division equation, including labels on each answer. So Josie has 5 yards of fabric. Each shirt needs 1/2 of a yard of fabric. How many shirts can Josie make? So I'm going to draw 5 separate models to each represent a yard of fabric. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yards of fabric. And if each shirt needs to be 1/2 of a yard, I'm going to split each of these in 1/2. So if each shirt just takes 1/2 a yard of fabric, that means this can be shirt 1, shirt 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. So the math question is, if I'm restating the question up here, it's essentially saying how many 1/2s are in 5. And the division equation, we drew 5 models and we divided them each into halves to equal a total of 10. So how many shirts can Josie make? She can make 10 shirts. On number 2, it's saying a serving size is 1/9 of a cake. How many servings are there in 4 cakes? So if I had 4 cakes, and I split each of those 4 cakes into 9 pieces, make these a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Well, each of these 4 cakes is going to be able to serve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So if this serves 9 servings, and this has 9 servings, and this has 9 servings, and this has 9 servings, 9, 18, 27, 36 servings are going to be available. So the division equation is, I drew 4 models first, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I divided it into 9ths, and that's going to give me my 36. So there are 36 servings. Looking at question number 3, it says draw a model and solve the following equation. So 6 divided by 1/4 equals A. So once again, I'm going to draw 6 models. And these 6 models I'm going to split into 4ths. And then label each of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So our answer is going to be 24. Number 4, I have 1/5 of a gallon of milk. I need 4 gallons of milk. How much of what I need do I have? So this lets me know that I only have 1/5 and I need 4 gallons. So we were trying to figure out what part of the total do we have. So our math question is going to be how much of 4 is 1/5. The division equation is if I have 1/5 and I'm dividing it into 4 groups, that's going to give me the total amount of milk, the gallons that I have, how much of the gallon of milk. So I'm going to draw, I can draw one big model and draw 4 groups of that. So let's draw half and half again. So I've got my 4 that represents the 4 gallons, and now I'm going to break that into fifths. And I have 1/5 of the 4, so I'm just going to shade in this one part right here. So that means that I have 1/20 of what I need. Because I have 1 out of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Some helpful hints when you're doing division with fractions is that if I start with a fraction, my answer is going to be a fraction. So up here, I started with a whole number, and I'm going to end with a whole number. Number 5, I have 7 divided by 1/3 equals a. So once again, I'm starting with a fraction. So that means the a is going to equal, or a whole number, excuse me. So my answer is going to equal a whole number. So 7 divided by 1/3 is going to equal 21. So my multiplication equation is going to be 1/3 times 21 is going to equal 7. Or you could have also written 21 times 1/3 equals 7. Number 6, a serving size is 5 cups. I have 1/8 of a cup. How much of a serving do I have? This lets me know that I only have part of it because it's asking how much do I have. So my equation is going to be 1/8 divided by 5 is going to be my serving size. So I can just say C for cups. Well, I'm starting with a fraction, which lets me know that C is going to equal a fraction. So C is going to equal 1/40. So I have 1/40 of what I need.